Ghana is playing Mali today, and we need to win this game. We need to win it to qualify for World Cup. If not, there will be a wahala. Ghana is playing Mali today at 7 o'clock p.m. And today, the Malians media is interviewing Otu and Captain Thomas Partey. And they say they know that Mali team is very good, but they will know how to handle them. I hope we should come out with 2-0 against Mali. So let's pray for the team so that everything will go on successfully. Inshallah. God bless Black Star.
And the player Thomas Partey. Donc nous allons rapidement prendre les impressions du coach et également les impressions du joueur. Et ensuite, on va vous donner la parole pour des questions.
Okay, good evening. It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay, good evening everyone. So this is the pre-match conference and
C'est bon.
good evening everyone. So welcome for this pre-match conference. And before that, we will give the floor to the coach and about what they for this team. And after that, we will give the floor to the captain, what they are presenting for this team.
Ok. Coach and captain, bienvenue au Mali.
So, coach and captain, welcome to Mali.
En rentrant dans cette salle de conférence et en découvrant ce grand stade du 26 mars, quels sont vos sentiments?
So once you get out to the stadium and in this conference room, what are your feelings about the stadium and this conference room?
Yeah, happy to be here. It's a very important match today for us. We are 1 point behind Mali, and we have to win. This will be the best to guarantee our chances to qualify for the World Cup. But we know it's going to be very, very tough. Mali has a very, very strong team. They showed recently in their games, if it's against Nigeria or Cote d'Ivoire, how really good they are. They have a lot of young talents in their teams, and in the FIFA World Round list they are above us. So it will be very, very hard for us to beat them tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, I will talk with your guys to.
Ok, your answer for the question.
Mali, pour moi, Mali est une grande équipe.
No, speak English because I will talk with him and then I will.
Okay. So we can do not understand. So Mali is a very good team. It's very difficult for us to beat them, but we have to try. They're 1 point above us, and we have a good team as well. In the FIFA World Round list, they are above us. So this shows how good and competitive they are. They showed in the last game against Nigeria how good they are, and also even at the AFCON when they played against Ivory Coast, were very, very unlucky. So for us, it's a very, very strong team, but we have the possibility to still beat them. We also have a strong team, and it's going to be an equal match.
Tout d'abord, je suis très heureux d'être là au Mali et avec cette équipe malienne qui est une très bonne équipe. Et ils sont au classement FIFA, ils sont devant nous. Et malheureusement, ils ont été une équipe malheureuse à la CAN passée. Et c'est une équipe solide, mais nous aussi, nous sommes une équipe aussi solide. Et avec la différence de points entre nous, on va essayer de tout faire aussi pour gagner, car nous sommes aussi une bonne équipe.
Thank you. I think Mali have a strong team. They showed in their recent performance. We have to try and stop them, stop their best players, and also concentrate on our way of playing and try to get the results we want.
Comme le coach l'a si bien dit, Mali a une équipe très forte, mais on va essayer d'arrêter leurs meilleurs joueurs et arrêter leur façon de jouer et pour pouvoir mener notre propre jeu et de faire tout pour gagner aussi.
On va vous donner la parole juste pour une question parce qu'on est pris par le temps. Oui. Oui. Non, une question. Une question. Parce que ça, on va aller vite pour vous permettre d'avoir des images aussi de l'entraînement après la conférence de Dimani. Ok? Voilà. Allez, oui.
Bonsoir coach, bienvenue au Mali. Et voilà, et vous êtes de retour après avoir qualifié le Ghana face au Niger au barrage du Mondial 2022. Et c'est votre retour. Et une compétition, une éliminatoire face à l'Afrique et différentes générations du monde. Et pour vous, ce match demain face au Mali, quelle sera la clé de la rencontre?
So after your match, you're qualifying for the AFCON, and this game is different from the World Cup match. So what is your perspective for this game between you and Mali?
It's difficult to say. We have a plan how we want to play. I think we observed them well. Almost all the players also play in the Ligue 1. They're very, very strong. So we have our ideas, but surely I can't tell what is our plan to win this match.
On va amener un autre plan pour jouer ce match. C'est vrai, presque tous nos joueurs là jouent à la première division, mais on va amener un autre plan pour gagner ce match. Sinon, c'est très difficile de dire quel plan de jeu on va amener pour gagner ce match.
Donc, si vous voulez continuer, mais ça dépendra de vous. Voilà. Ok. Ok, voilà, c'est ça le problème. Parce qu'on a donné un temps pour
comme ça.
Voilà. Ok. Pour par un truc, voilà. C'est question que maintenant on termine tout de suite. Oui.
Yeah, also Pati, one question for each. I'm going to start with Pati. Pati, you've been quite instrumental when it comes to World Cup qualifiers. In 8 matches, you've scored 7 goals.
Okay.
But you've not featured competitively for the Black Stars since June 2023. And now you're coming in as the captain of the team. Does it put extra pressure on you? And to you also, you are back after leading Ghana to the World Cup in 2022. And this is your first competitive match as a full-time coach of the Black Stars. And it's a very, very big game. I mean, and you've trained the team for quite a while, a few days now. Do you feel ready for this one?
Well, I think, I've been out for a while, I know, but I came back during the season, to finish, and I've played a lot of games for the national team. I know how we have to play. I know the system that the coach wants, and I think with the experience I have, I'll be able, to get the team together and also to lead the young players who are coming in to be able to get in quite easily.
Et pour le capitaine, il faisait partie de l'équipe et à un moment donné, il ne faisait plus partie maintenant et c'est de son retour maintenant de l'équipe. Et quelles sont ses impressions et qu'est-ce qu'il doit faire dans l'équipe. Et ce que je peux faire dans l'équipe, je faisais partie de l'équipe, mais de mon retour maintenant, je ferai tout pour amener l'union et la cohésion dans l'équipe. Et avec ces jeunes, les jeunes qui sont parmi nous, de les faire motiver pour que nous puissions jouer ensemble.
Surely I think we are ready for the game. I know it's always short, the time for preparations, because players are coming from their seasons. So we had one good week actually. I was very, very satisfied on how they understood how we want to play. But like I said, it's going to be difficult. I compared this match a little bit to when I started when we played against Nigeria. We had 2 matches there and we needed to qualify. We qualified. And this is also going to be a very, very tough match away in Mali. At a country which has produced really, really good players, like Adara, Dumbia, and so on. And we know it's going to be tough, but we also have the quality to compete against them. Although we didn't have a good AFCON, I think we are 20 points or even more above the FIFA World Rank list. But still, I think we have the players to compete against them and to get 3 points out of Mali.
Honnêtement, c'est un match très tendu, un match très difficile. C'est très difficile aussi de qualifier ce match-là, comment ça va se passer, mais avec l'expérience et avec l'équipe aussi, nous ferons tout. Sinon, il y a des joueurs très talentueux dans l'équipe malienne, comme les noms qu'il a cités, Haidara et autres là qui sont très talentueux. Et on a vu aussi leurs prestations à la CAN passée. Et bien vrai, ils sont devant nous au classement FIFA, mais nous avons aussi notre moyen de mener ces jeux-là pour pouvoir s'en sortir.